Good morning, students. Welcome to your VVPS e-learning computer class. Students, yesterday we have completed window of Excel with labels. Today, students, we will understand compound formula of lesson number 3. What is compound formula? Now students, through this example, we will understand. Now students, firstly we will understand what is the meaning of compound formula. Student, compound formula means where in which formula we can use more operator comparison to one. Means more than one operator if we are using in any formula, that formula is called compound formula. That formula is called compound formula. Students, just like this example, this formula you can see here given P into R into T upon 100 means principal amount multiplied by rate multiplied by time oblique 100. This is the formula of simple interest. Students, this is the formula of simple interest. So firstly students, suppose in this Excel sheet you will see this is the principal amount 4500 rupees, rate 5%, time 3 years. So students, we can use two method. I also explain simple means constant method. Second, students, we can use cell address method. If we are using simple method, so in the place of B2, what is given? Students, 4500 multiplied by 5 multiplied by B4 means 3 oblique 100, and answer will come. Students, but I also explain the best method for using any formula. Best method is cell address method. So students, in the place of 4500 we can write B2, cell number B2 equal to, first thing, always start with equal sign. When we want to use formula, always start with equal sign. Equal B2 multiplied by B3 multiplied by B4 oblique upon 100, and press enter key. Answer will come. Answer is founded by the computer. Is it clear, students? Any doubt? Again I am repeating, formula of simple interest is P into R into T upon 100. So what is the P means principal amount 4500, and what is the cell address of the 4500? B2. So equal to B2 multiplied by rate. Rate means 5. So we can't write directly 5. We can use cell address B2, B3. Then T, time, B4. Students, upon 100, and then press enter key. Press enter key, answer will come. Now students, next thing, second compound formula we will understand. Another compound formula I am using. Suppose this is your Excel sheet, students. Students, this table we will see here in first cell name heading, second obtained marks, third total marks, and we will find the percentage. Students, so formula we can use. Firstly we can type the name, like name X, student Y, Z, M, and these are the name of the students. Students, any name you can write in the place of Aman, Ajit, Vinay, etc. But I am using name in the place of name, X name, Y name, Z name, M, N, etc. Obtained marks, students, suppose 30, this student get 40 marks, this student get 25 marks, this student get 35 marks, and this student get 50 marks. Total marks is 50, 50, total marks 50, 50, 50. Students, here in percentage number cell we can use formula. This is the D2 cell number, D1, D2. Students, D2 cell I am making here. You will see easily. D2 cell. This cell name is D2, means this cell. This cell is this. So I am using in big form. In this cell I am typing. So you can see in big form through this example. I am using equal sign, means equal sign. Same cell I am using, students, equal to, what is the formula of percentage? Obtained marks into 100 upon total. Yes or no? So what is the obtained marks cell? B2. B2 multiplied by 100 upon, students, total marks, students, cell C2. Press enter key, answer will come here. What will come? 60%. What it will? 60. Students, is it clear? 60 marks. Again I am using, students, obtain marks into 100 upon total. So what is obtained? B2 multiplied by 100 upon C2. Press enter key, answer will come. Is it clear, students? Okay, thank you.